and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this vintage Gibson tuck. I really like this elegant look. I think even though it's still considered vintage, it's still a great modern look. So to get started, we are going to start on one side and just start twisting the hair away from the face until you get to just above the ears, and we're going to pull that section away from the rest of the hair, twist it a few more times, and then temporarily we're just going to pin it out of the way with a bobby pin while we move to the next side. And we do the same thing on the opposite side. We just kind of keep twisting the hair away from the face until we get just above the ear, and then we're going to grab the first section out of the bobby pin, and we're going to grab a little elastic hair tie, and we're going to tie these two pieces together, and then we are going to flip them in to kind of enhance that twist look. And then once you do that, you're going to, on either side, take a small section of hair from behind the ear, and you are going to tuck it in that little loop we created. You don't want to make these sections too large because you want to leave plenty of hair for the main roll. But once you get that tucked in, we're just going to secure it with a bobby pin, and then we are going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now the next step is going to be to gather the remaining hair and put a hair tie in as close to the ends as you can without it all falling out. Now when you put in the hair tie, I would pull the hair out and up a little bit because we're going to twist it in. So if you put the hair tie in while the hair is hanging down, it's going to be a little bit harder to twist. And then once you get that hair tie in nice and secure, we're just going to roll it in nice and tight and make sure those ends are all tucked. And then once you get that hair rolled in as tight as you can, we're going to just bobby pin in place. And I definitely recommend starting off with the larger bobby pins if you have it, to make sure the roll is secure, and then switching to the smaller bobby pins to pin any wild pieces or the corners in place just how we want it. And as you can see, even my little fur baby approved of the look. She came up to get some pets as soon as I was done. And here we have the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And be sure to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.